Lost in the blurred night sky, screams and whispers fly so high, echoes of truth buried deep in